Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can make rice water at home very easily to look 10 years younger. You can use rice water in different ways, like you can use for your face, for your hair, and you can also use to make so many DIY home remedies. I will also share with you how you can make rice water and green tea toner in my next video. So let's go and check how to make it. Rice water is very good for our skin. It's like a toner or facial spray to treat our skin, especially in summers. Now let me show you how you can prepare this rice water. First of all, take a rice in a bowl and add some water and let it sit for few seconds. After few seconds, drain all the water so that all the impurities and dirt removed from the rice. Now finally add some water and let this rest for 1 hour. Friends, there are several methods of making rice water to use as a part of your own beauty routine. You can use any kind of rice, white long grain rice, brown rice, jasmine rice or whatever rice you have at your home. So finally, after an hour, transfer the rice water to another bowl and your rice water is completely ready. You can use this rice water to make so many home remedies, and you can also use as it is for your skin and for your hair. Rice water is one of the simplest and cheapest way to beautify your skin and hair. There are so many home remedies that you can make using rice water. If you want me to share all of them, then please tell me in the comment section. I will definitely share with you guys. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.